Hey, I'm Millie with Visiwise. Beyond just being the easiest shipment tracking platform around, Visiwise also empowers you to streamline your logistics and supply chain management effortlessly, which makes it easy to track your shipments and orders across vessels, rails, ports, and terminals, detect delays and exceptions, as well as updating Excel sheets or internal systems like ERPs, TMSs, or WMSs. Collaborate seamlessly with your internal teams or external partners, and the cherry on top is analyzing your logistics performance. Getting started is a breeze. You can begin simply by using any reference numbers such as a container number, BL number, booking number, or even your internal reference, or by importing all your shipment data through a file upload. Once in, a click reveals the latest real-time tracking info sourced from various channels. From historical movements to live location and predictive ETA, you've got it all at your fingertips. And don't worry about keeping tabs on everything, our systems got you covered. It'll monitor your shipments and shoot you alerts for changes that matter like ETA updates or vessel exchange. For enhanced and added control, dive into advanced filters to search shipments by criteria like arrival time. Save it as a new view for automatic listing, easy access, and sharing with your team. Need to collaborate? Assign shipments to team members or share them with external parties to bring shipments to their attention for swift action. Enhance your teamwork by sharing relevant data and files right within the platform. Switch to table view for Excel-like management and export updated tracking data to an Excel file with just a click. Now, in addition to all these features, I'm sure you'd like a way to keep track of how well your logistics and supply chain are working, and that's where analytics comes in. Here, you can make data-driven decisions by analyzing performance of different carriers in terms of transit time, delays, freight rates and per diem charges, and more. And finally, automate the whole process using simple yet effective Visiwise integration with ERPs, TMSs, WMSs, and spreadsheets. Now, if you're ready to boost your logistics and supply chain management, head over to visiwise.co today and create an account for free.